Why Does It Always Rain on Me by Travis is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. We're going to start the song off with a standard D chord. Strum down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Move to an A minor chord, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Put those two chords together, D, down, 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 up, A minor, down, 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 up. We'll then go to a full G, so we've got fingers 3 and 4 on the 3rd fret of the B and high E strings, and we've got the 3rd fret on the low E with the 2nd finger, and 2nd fret on the A with the 1st finger. We're going to strum down, down, up, before moving to a G over F sharp chord, which is a lot easier than it sounds. We just take these two fingers off, 1 and 2, and put the 1st finger back on the 2nd fret of the low E string. This is also going to mute that A string with a kind of bend down naturally anyway, and then we just strum down, down. So it'll be G, down, down, F sharp, down, G, down, down, change the fingers, down, down. Then we're going to go to an E minor 7 chord. Now the easiest way to do this is just to move the 1st finger from the low E string at the 2nd fret down to the A string at the 2nd fret. This is obviously all relative to capo. And that's an E minor 7 chord. Sometimes you'll see a lot of people adding the 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the D string, and that's also an E minor 7 chord, and that too is absolutely fine. For the strumming pattern, it is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Okay, so the whole thing, D, down, 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 up, and the A minor, down, 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 G, down, down, up, over F sharp, down, down, up, E minor 7, down, down, up, down, okay, D, down, 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 A minor, down, down, G, F sharp, E minor 7. For the verse, we just have a D for 2 bars, go into a B minor for 2 bars, and the strumming is consistent throughout this, so it's just down, 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 up for 2 bars on the D, go into the B minor, same strumming. Okay, so we have the D, B minor, played on repeat throughout the verse. There's then a little pre-chorus section which starts on a G major chord, down, 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 to an A chord, which is often played live as a little barred 1st finger actually, down, 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 but you can play it however you usually play your A chord, so G, down, 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 A, down, 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 play repeated. We're then going to go G with the F sharp, E minor, same strumming as for the intro, so down, down, F sharp, down, E minor, then to an A sus4, which is like a standard A chord, just with the 3rd fret of the B string added, obviously relative to capo here, and the strumming is down, 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 go into a standard A chord, down, 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 so we have G, down, 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 A, down, down, G, sharp, E minor 7, A sus4, A. So for the chorus we have the same as the intro, except for that A minor chord is actually going to be played as an A major chord. So it's D, down, 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 A, down, 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 G, F sharp, E minor 7, D, G, F sharp, E minor 7. That's played 3 times in the chorus. For the bridge, we're going to start with B minor, and we're going to strum down, 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 up, go into a D, down, 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 up, B minor, down, 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 up, to the D, down, 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 up. Then we're going to go to a C over G chord, which is a standard C chord with the 3rd finger moved up to the low E string at the 3rd fret, and pinky finger playing the 3rd fret of the A string, obviously again relative to capo. We're going to play down, down, up, move into a C over B, which is 1st fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the A string, and we'll go down, down, A minor, down, down, add in the pinky finger to the low E string, the 3rd fret for an A minor over G chord, down, down. Then we go to the A sus4 chord, down, 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 A, down, down, down. Okay, so B minor, down, 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 D, down, 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 B, D, C over D, C over B, A minor over G, A sus4 to A. For the outro section of the song, it is D going to A major, G, G over F sharp to E minor, play twice, and then the 3rd and 4th time we play exactly the same, but we go to an A minor chord instead of an A major chord. So we have the D, A, G, F sharp, E minor, D, A, G, F sharp, E minor, D, A minor, G, F sharp, E minor, D,